Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to use the bulk listing tool. You will see how to change the price on your listings up to 200 items, and also how to end your listings and sell similar. These techniques will help you with the eBay algorithm to trick it so that you will increase in sales. It's very important to keep things active on eBay. So follow along and you'll see these two changes. I hope you like the video. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks so much.
Let me show you how we do this. We start on eBay's homepage, My eBay, select Selling. We're going to need listings, and we want to go to the active listings. So we're going to manage the listings. I would not recommend doing more than 200 at a time. Scroll down and you'll see these are my listings, okay? And it's important that you sort them by the date. Right here it shows these were listed in April. If I click it, it'll show the listings which were just yesterday. So we want the ones in April. Okay, now these should all be in April. And check the date. I would scroll all the way down. I'm going kind of fast, but you can see these have been on longer than a month and they have not sold. So I'll go all the way to the bottom. We're still April 26. So there's 200 items on this page. So this is a perfect amount to change. So back up to the top. And we're going to select them all. It'll show here we have 200 selected. We're going to edit. We want to edit the selected. A new screen appears in the Revise listings. We're going to select them all, and you can see there's 200 items. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a bulk edit. You pull this tab down, bulk edit, and we want to change the buy it now price. See my buy it now prices here? I'm just going to tweak it a little bit. Buy it now price. And you can either lower, increase, change to. I just want to lower it by, you can do a percentage or an amount. I'm going to do an amount of just 15 cents. Okay. You can also put some of these other increase, change to, remove, but this is very simple. We're going to apply that. It takes a moment because it's doing this on 200 items, and it has happened, but we have to submit it. So I looked ahead of time, and this is already changed. The amounts are correct. I'll scroll all the way to the bottom where it says submit all for 200. Click it. It's going to ask you again, basically, are you sure? Review the fees. There's not any fee for this because I'm just changing the price. Go ahead and submit it. It's processing the 200 listings. And they're finished. Done. And that's a great way to change your price that shows that you've made some changes to your listing. Now, I'm going to show you how to do the bulk edit for ending your listings and then selling similar. I'm going to show you now how to edit in bulk, but ending your listings, and then instead of relisting them, we're going to sell them similar. This technique will help to trick the algorithm and you will see your sales increase. So follow along with me here. I'm on the home page of eBay, My eBay, Selling, oops. And you want to go to your listings. which are active. One thing that's very important before you do this, you have to make sure that your listings over here on the left, if you follow my mouse, that are ended, that this category is cleaned out. You can see I have a 0 here. If you have any listings in here, you need to manage them. Either delete them, relist them, but move them. Because when you're doing a bulk, you've got to have this empty. We have it empty, so we're good to go. So back to the active listings. This is very similar to the steps I showed you in how to change the price. And once again, we check the dates. This is showing start date of June. No, I want the old ones in April. So my start dates are April 21st, and these haven't sold, so I want to relist these. Not relist them, I want to sell similar. We're going to look all the way down, and they should all be April 26th. Okay, so back up to the top, just to verify. We're going to select, take this action here, select, we've selected 200, see 200 selected, and we go under actions instead of edit this time. We go under actions, and we want to end the listings. Are you sure you want to end these listings? Yes, I'm sure. So those 200 are in here, and I click end listings. It takes a moment because it's processing 200 items. And now you can see I am missing 200 listings. They're ended. So next step, to the left here, your inventory, you can see your listings. Go down to ended, and they should be in there. Results 200. So the 200 are now in here. We're going to select that. We've selected 200, and then we want to, instead of these options, click the Sell Similar. Click it, and next they will appear. It takes a moment, and we select them all, and we're going to submit them. You can scroll through and see they're all here, all the information. Select all. So 200 listings will be submitted. There's not a fee for this, no insertion fees. Submit. It's processing 200 right now, and they're finished. So now I'm going to show you that I can double check that they're done. And let's see here. Now we go to my listings, which are active. And I'm back to 1,059. They are back in. They've been added. Now I can tell this by sorting with the date. I want to bring the most current date up because they're going to be on top. And you can see these are all June 12th, which is today. These are all sell similar. And by doing this technique, I believe you will see increases in your sales immediately. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, or if you'd like me to do a video on something special, please let me know. Drop a comment. Please subscribe. Please like. And thanks for watching my channel. Good luck on eBay.